Hello everyone, I'm back with another McLaren. This time is a 600 LT. I've done a few of these, and today I'm gonna explain to you a little more about how to remove the covers on the rear view mirror. So I'm gonna start with Alright, so let's go start with the rear view mirror. So oh, this car is too small. Alright, so to remove the rear view mirror, these two pieces right here, this and this side, is split. So you can use the hook, put it through this little hole right here, or to the back and just pull it out. So it's one piece is out, the other piece has a cable, so don't try to just pull it and drag it down. So you have to like pull it up, push it that way on the bottom, so it has a cable. So be careful with this. The rear view mirror pushes up. It's like a triangle bracket, so it has a little bearing right here, so you just push it up and disconnect the mirror. So little clip right here, and then you disconnect the mirror. So I'm gonna put the mirror here, the cover right there. Now we got the rain sensor right in here. Disconnect the rain sensor. Now there is another wire and it's behind this right here. Okay, all right, so behind this right here there's another wire for the windshield, and so this one has I think it has four clips, and it will push straight up. So you can push it down, so we can use pallet tool. It's a little bit too big, but you can use this one right here and pop the clips. Same thing on the other side. Oh, here we go. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. Now this car has a regular interior. Most of these cars is suede. When it's suede, you can't use any type of tool because it will mark the suede. It's really suede, it's really sensitive. So I would, on the other ones with the regular, with the suede headliner, I just put my fingers on the side and pull it down, because I don't it's too risky for damage the suede. And these cars are, this one is brand new, haven't touched the streets yet. So here's the wire that is for the windshield right here. So I'm gonna just push it out, and it's already disconnected. Now I'm gonna pull it down for you guys to see that it's not from something else. It's for the windshield. This one is for the windshield right here. So now everything is disconnected. So I'm gonna start pulling the wipers. Oh, there's another antenna. It is right here behind this pillar. So same thing, put the cover, the clip tool right here, and you just push it out. There you go. And then the antenna, it's right here. There's another antenna for the glass right in there. Now let's go outside and I've done so many cars like this one. Like this one has a stress crack. These vehicles, the windshield cracks by itself. The stress, its body, I guess the body twist or something is going on with these cars. If you're working on these vehicles and it's your first time, I really recommend you talk to your service advisor or the owner of this vehicle, because most likely the windshield is gonna crack again. It's really sensitive. The glass is really sensitive, and it's a stress crack. You can avoid those. So let's pull up the wipers. This is a 16 millimeters socket wrench. Passenger. The driver's side has another one on the bottom. Right here. Got both the ones out. We're gonna put the hood down. Now, what do I use for this? Simple. I use my cold knife to pull this windshield out. Yes, I know it's an expensive car, but you can't really trust to go with the easy wire or your core tool or any other tool. You have to use, well, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I recommend you to use a cold knife, and I'm gonna show you why in a minute. It's really soft glue that they use on these vehicles. When you get to the corners, just slow down. You be careful because the glue is right in here, so you don't have nothing on the corner. Easy to scratch it if you don't pay attention. So I'll go up with the other one. There you go. So I'm gonna do the bottom too. Might have to go with the other bigger size. It's cutting like a butter, so you don't really have to put a lot of force on this windshield. All right, let's see if it kind of fits out. Yep, it's out. Now, I don't use the core because it has this pin over here, and the core, it doesn't cut these pins. So let's just use the cold knife, and it's cut like a butter. Okay. Now these windshields, they break a lot, even though you replace it right now. Then you gotta replace it again, because there's some kind of issue right here. The body twists and it just snaps the windshield. It keeps snapping the windshields. So if you're doing it, I recommend you not to warranty for a stretch crack, because eventually it's gonna happen again. All right, so I'm gonna prep everything and come back again with the installation. All right, so I'm ready to shoot the glue on it. I already put a piece of tape on it to mark the pin for the glass. Going up. Let's seal the corner. Now I don't like the glue on this side over here. I kind of went off a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do. Oops, got a little bit. Hopefully I can make it. Yeah, it's kind of off, so I'm gonna cut it right here. I'll go up, turn it again, and right here. There you go. Alright, so let's see if I can make it with this little bit of glue right here. So I'm going to go down. There we go. Much better. Alright. So I'm going to use 1 cup. Right into it. It should be right close to the pin. So before I put any pressure on the glass, I'm just going to put pressure on the corners, but not on the middle, because in the middle there's the clip. So you want to come back inside and check the clip, and the clip is right perfectly lined up on the hole. If it's not lined up, I put pressure, I'm gonna crack this windshield. So I have to make sure that it's lined up, and it's right there. So it's perfectly lined up. So it's right where it's supposed to be. So now I'm going to put pressure on it. Not a lot of pressure, remember that. Just to make sure to seal the gaps on the side. This is a high-speed vehicle, so it will make easily will make a noise. All right. All the gaps are good. Peel the tape off. Over here. And it's all good. I need to fix the molding right there on the bottom. And everything should be okay. It's all good. Now we need to put everything back together, and it should be okay. Alright, so let's put together the inside, the rear view mirror, which is the most common. Oh, need to pull this crimp out again. There we go. To connect this wire, and this one is going to be an antenna. It's right in there. There you go. It's connected again. There you go. clip on. Now we got, remember this is the upper connector, so we're gonna put it under the headliner, pass it through, and connect it right there, the little connector. There you go. It's all good. Now the rain sensor, it's all good now. Now I have to do the hardest part, the rear view mirror. Sometimes in reinstalling these rear view mirrors, put it back in, it's sometimes take a little bit of time. Just connect the wire right here. Now we gotta push it up. So now let me get a better position on the seat. It's kind of hard. I'm a small guy, having a hard time. Alright, so we're gonna start from the top to the bottom, okay? So we push it all the way up, all the way to the top, and then wiggle it a little bit. There you go, come out again. All the way to the top and then try it. There we go. Woo, got it in. That was easy for this time. Alright, now we're gonna put this one back together. So remember, this one, it comes in like sideways. And this is, there you go. Now this one has the wire in there, so I have to tack the wire in, make sure it's not gonna be in my way, and I put it in. Then go. I'm gonna push this in, because then it's gonna be on my way when I put the other one in, the other piece. You gotta kind of tuck in the wires, make sure they're not on your way. Now I gotta put this piece back in here, and it's the same way. It goes back in there. Everything snap easy. Sorry. So it's back in place. Now I gotta put the light back on, and it's pretty simple. Line up the clips and then push it up. You can just push it or just hit it. There you go. So it's already in. Make sure the clip is connected. Good. So it's done. Well, almost done. I need to put the wipers and clean the glass. So there we go. Not 2019 McLaren 600 LT, and that's a simple installation. Have a nice day.